this video, I am going to give you solution for the MaxxAudio problem. Having issue with MaxxAudio Pro like sound system not working in your laptop after connecting headphones. I can give the solution for this problem. Let's connect your headphones to your laptop. You get the MaxxAudio Pro on your laptop like this. You want to go for below logo of MaxxAudio Pro, then right click on it, select the MaxxAudio Pro, then select playback. Here you have already been selecting the reduce noise, so you want to select revive, then come back, select on the OK. Now you have fixed the problem of sound in your laptop. Thank you for watching this video.